When applying to co-op and internship roles at Loblaw, there are a few things I would keep in mind. Number one, always make sure to apply on the Loblaw website. While we do post all our jobs across Canada with all our campus partners, it's very important that you do apply on the Loblaw website directly, as that is where the emerging talent team or the campus recruitment team will find your resume. Another tip when you're applying for co-op and internship roles at Loblaw is to look at the job description and highlight keywords on your resume. Hiring managers will include key skills that they're looking for as part of the role, and it's very important that you include those key skills in your resume, as Loblaw uses an applicant tracking system, or ATS, when it comes to reviewing resumes for each role. While it isn't always necessary to submit a cover letter and transcript as part of your application, some roles do require it, and hiring managers do like to see a cover letter and transcript when it comes to your application. So always make sure you have those documents handy in case a job description asks for it.